Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to mute a channel on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. If you've been getting bombarded with constant notifications from a channel but you don't want to leave it completely, this feature is exactly what you need. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to silence those alerts while still keeping access to all the content. Let's jump right in. First, open up the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and everything is synced, so your chats and channels are visible in the sidebar. Next, scroll through your list until you locate the channel you want to mute. Channels appear in the same area as your regular chats, so just look for the one that's been filling up your notifications. Once you've found it, all you need to do is right-click on that channel. A small menu will pop up with a few different options for managing your chats and notifications. From that menu, select the mute option. When you click on it, you'll be given a few choices for how long you'd like the channel to stay muted. You can pick a limited time if you only want a temporary break, but if you really want peace and quiet, go ahead and choose Always. This will completely silence notifications from that channel without removing it from your app. And that's it. You've successfully muted a channel on WhatsApp for PC. The channel will still be there in your chat list. You'll still have full access to browse through the latest updates whenever you want, but you won't be interrupted by constant pings showing up on your screen. This simple step helps keep your focus exactly where you need it, especially if you're using WhatsApp while working on your computer. You'll still stay connected to the content that matters, but on your own time and in your own way. So, if you've been looking for a way to take control of your notifications, try this out today. It only takes a few seconds, and it makes a big difference in keeping your desktop distraction-free. Thanks for watching.